Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
And today we are using the worst cars to the best.
So I hope you like Tip 1, because it's my favorite. And ugly.
Okay, don't say that's my favorite movie. They love Tip 1.
Yeah.
Tip 1. She's my kid, my brother. Things I don't like it.
Okay, we gotta move to another town.
Okay. We are only allowed to drive there, no cutting the video, or else you get banned.
Oh no! Oh hey, I'm behind you.
I think I got my vehicle stuck.
Are you stuck in
never
the
mind.
ditch?
Never mind.
Yeah, Mom. You see me? You see me?
Hell no.
What?
I do when
Bitch.
excuse me guys, there's my burp. Sorry, there's my verbality.
Woo! Are you excited?
Yep.
Or are you excited to die?
I'm excited to die.
We're far away from the silver, right?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, what is this road between?
It is familiar.
Why does it look like just a little street?
Because it is from tomatoes to me.
Well, my car looked like it going to deploy. Okay guys, you usually get it over this is chicken gun ketchup that is covered in blue. Well, this is the right area, we have the right town.
I know, this one.
Oh shoot.
Nice dress actually. This way.
Wait, I see the town. Holy shit.
Oh well, I'm just coming here.
Let me check on my radar. Okay, the
Okay.
tornadoes are going away. Looks like one's coming to the barn. So let's
The barn. It's boring.
Okay, I really don't know where we are at. Like this is
I don't know. Oh, there you are. We just went in the same direction.
guys, tell us what town are we in. Are we in the right town, guys? Don't comment. Don't comment. Don't comment you're stupid. Or from from my YouTube channel.
Yeah, me too.
Or I'm gonna unfriend you. And don't forget, this is another account. Don't hate me for that.
Yes.
I'm
But I did not change the account. What the fuck?
You got scared?
No.
I think this is the right area, but I really don't know.
Oh no, I know it's down here.
Wait a minute, why does that
Waiting.
land look familiar? Into the storm?
Yeah, it's in the store.
And use Titus, use Titus.
Me?
Oh shit, I'm stuck.
You want me to use Titus? Huh?
I'm stuck in a ditch. I can't cut the video.
No.
Okay guys, don't hate me for this. Do not hate me. I'm gonna only cheat once. Okay. Hurricane fire. And of course this is okay, I just only spawned one.
I think I just got stuck. Oh, never mind.
Okay, I'm sorry guys. I spawned a car, a different car.
There's one coming to the town. There's one coming to the town.
Oh, there's a EF5.
Where?
I'm going to there. Oh no,
Wait, I think it's coming to us.
deploy, deploy, deploy.
I'm coming there.
Be careful, bro. This, I don't know how we're gonna survive.
Wait, is it coming to me?
Okay, intercept,
Wait.
please.
Deploy.
Spawn probe, spawn probe. Yes, yes, we're finally intercepting. Yeah.
The EF0. Uh-oh.
Deploy.
I'm drowning.
Yeah.
No, it's right in front of us.
Hey guys.
It's coming right toward us.
Oh, come on.
missed it.
Ah, come on.
You only can find those storms later.
Wait.
Yeah, EF5 or EF4.
EF5.
If you get closer.
Yeah. Oh, there's the EF5 coming to the town.
Look around and getting close. I'm getting close.
Wait, it doesn't look like an EF5. It's red. See, it's red. What?
Wait, I'm getting dragged. I'm getting dragged. Oh shit. EF0. I'm gonna deploy it right. I don't want to get any cartoons of the tornado, but it's going very.
Wait, let's tell both all our viewers our sponsor. So today we're sponsoring every single game we like, and today we're trying every single time what's the nicest.
Okay, I'm gonna sacrifice my life. Oh shit, I'm stuck. I'm gonna sacrifice my life for this stupid tornado. Go, 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 go. Wait, EF0's not gonna get me. Haha! Stupid EF0!
It's coming to me!
Oh! Oh! Stupid!
Okay, it's coming! It's freaking coming!
Guys, I think I'm dead. I'm dead, guys. I'm dead. I'm going. Ooh! Ooh! Can I survive on this one?
What the?
Please! 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 Please!
Bro,
Please!
it's just running away from us,
Please!
right?
Please! Please! Exit! Exit! Exit!
Is it just running away from us? Is it just running away?
Okay, I'm spawning tornado stalker. Wait. Storm Reaver. Storm Reaver.
Is it just running away from us now?
I'm getting the strongest tornado vehicle in the game. The Storm Reaver.
Yep, it's actually...
No,
It's
no.
running away.
I think I'm lost.
I'm going the right way. Wait. Deploy.
I don't know where I am. Do you have a probe?
Hell no.
You need a probe that you can get proof of a tornado. Spawn one. Okay, I'm at the barn. Probably this is strong. How much wind speed is? Okay, that's enough.
It's 150.
You're gonna die.
It's 0. Man, why is this job so hard? You have to stay and watch tornadoes defeat you.
Well, I actually see one coming right here.
I'm sick of it.
Go, 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 go. Go fast. Get 100. Oh, those stupid storms again.
I'm actually going the right way this time.
Oh, shit. Should I deploy?
Okay, I'm going to...
I don't know if I'm cooked. But
I don't know if I'm cooked, because look how close am I.
Okay, I'm getting close.
I'm too close, man.
Deploy.
No. Is it coming in front of you?
Okay. Still.
Hell no, I'm not deploying now.
Just deploy.
I'm not deploying, tornado. You're never gonna make me deploy, man.
I think this leads us to the town. Is that right?
I don't know if I'm moving.
Well, you're in the TIG-1.
It's coming right towards me.
But you're at that town?
Bruh. Okay.
Come on, tornado, kiss my arm.
I'm going where it's going. Hell no, it's gonna pick me up. It's gonna pick me up.
I think I'm getting... First person getting picked up. Please no.
First person to ever get... Oh, yeah.
Deploy, baby. Deploy.
I'm going where the tornado's coming.
Deploy. Yes.
Uh-oh.
This is gonna be the first time. Yes. Drop the probe. Yeah. No.
It's going to Tornado Valleys.
Okay, I think did I win? No, I did not win.
Deploy. Mercy.
I think I survived this one because I actually intercepted this time.
Dang it! Wait.
Come on, Cassie.
Yeah. Do your own job, man. When I chase storms, you just lay around, and then you find one, cause I was there. And then you track my location, and then you just take my tornado.
Oh, hi, P.I.V.
Oh, hi.
The first one you get that tornado.
And guess who? How close am I?
Or then he died. I already intercepted all the data.
Bro, I'm getting freaking data! Too much data! Shh. Open, you're gonna die.
Yes, you're actually gonna die, team.
Hell no. This time I'm going full cup blow up.
Exit a car that you get to survive.
Oh my.
And this time we finally did not cut the video.
Everyone, I think I broke my TFI. Look at the dials. It's wrong and I know
You're
what
allowed
I'm
to
running.
spawn other vehicles.
Man. I'm
Yeah.
just gonna sit.
Yeah, you're.
What?
Are you literally trying to get in my car?
Okay. Here's a picture. And I'm just gonna spawn another car. Like this little guy. Oh, look at him.
Oh am I just competing to the best tornado ones that they're in town? Cassie, that's not allowed.
I don't care. I'm a maid.
And guys, part 2 will come soon.
Our part 2 is right now.
No, part 2.
Actually, part 2 is coming later. But
Yeah,
first up, wait. I have to come there. I gotta come where you are.
Boom, 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 boom.
So guys, we gotta come where my brother is.
And we can't cut the video. This is illegal.
And I think the tornado just flew me and tornado dead Sally. And I still missed my tip one.
Well, your project failed, and now that thing is in the stupid junkyard.
Actually, it's in my house.
Well, where's its hood?
I'm going. So guys, I'm just gonna say goodbye. And goodbye. I'll watch this video. So I'll see you. If you don't watch, I'll kill you. And also buy our merch. Banana. Goodbye. Like and subscribe. Beep, 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 beep. Goodbye. I'll see you if you don't subscribe. So you better subscribe.
That was actually a good video. Huh?
Yeah.